Before the vlog starts, at the beginning
Who's
of the vlog.
this? Who's this? I haven't seen this guy in like... How long was it?
Josh, let's play a game.
What's up, man?
We're playing 52 card pickup.
Let's
play heads up.
Josh, ready to play? Are you ready to play? Are you gonna win? Tell me you're gonna win.
52 card pickup. We're playing 52 card
Are you
pickup.
ready?
Alright.
Let's go.
Holy!
Pick up all
Pick 'em
52
up.
cards.
Things aren't going so well. Shit, can you... What's that? We're not getting any good cards. We folded like 5 times. Our pile is scarce.
No, it's not. It's
Jane, bottle flip right now.
Oh, no.
Do it.
Yeah, we're good.
I got you. Yeah. Okay, so Shivs is gonna teach me how to play poker.
Yeah, he's on my team. We're gonna win.
Black.
Huh? I thought it was 4. Josh, you're gonna die. Same. Yeah, picking yours is the worst decision.
We took him.
Nobody's checked. You checked, okay.
Wait, he was looking at tosses.
He's harmless.
Wait, Elon was on.
Okay, so me and Han just played an intense game of chess, but we're gonna call it a draw. And basically, we're both gonna go on this zip line through the pool. Try not touching the water. Ow! Break your leash. Oh, there we go. There we go. That looks so easy.
Alright, it's Joshua Otani in the
So
pool.
me, I was successful. Kenny, not so much. Han was successful. And now Rags.
And Rags is going.
So it's just tuck, right?
It's.
Yeah, it is.
Should I? Josh, should I?
Yes, I do. I love
Okay. Okay, here we go. This is your boy, Ichi. And Rags is gonna attempt to make it to the end of the zip line without touching the water, yeah.
Okay, Rags. Alright.
Here we go.
Don't jump, right?
Just let go.
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Hey! Oh, he's huge! He's huge! Oh! Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, beautiful.
There's this police car that's going like... I don't know what it's doing. It's going like zigzag across the street. What's up, guys? So I just had a long day of DoorDash and Scala work in Ardenwood, and now I'm at Pacific Commons Shopping Center, and I'm about to go into the Habit to meet Michael. I haven't seen him. I don't even remember the last time. This is Michael, by the way, childhood friend. Yeah, he's camera shy. So this is the opening ceremony of the 2016 Rio Olympics. This is Team USA. Kyrie Irving, I see you. What's up, guys? So this is my mom's 30th anniversary at Limerick. She graduated in 1986. That's Tyler over there. He's from Texas. Aiden over here. He's from Seattle, and we're just gonna shoot some basketball.